Hey, I'm Sean, head of partnerships at Jargon, and today I'm going to talk about managing multilingual content within Jargon. So if you have an application that's across multiple markets, and this can be markets of the same language or markets of multiple languages, it can be challenging to manage this content in the same place. So within Jargon, you can structure different locales. And locales can be structured in settings, and they're a pairing between language and location, and they differ based on the platforms that you have available. So you can select the different locales here, and you can also select fallback locales for content that might not be specified for a specific locale. So for example, let's say that I only have one or two responses that are particular to the UK, and the rest of them can just utilize the English US content. So I can say for all of my English Great Britain content, fall back to English US if it's not specified particularly for English Great Britain. So I'll go ahead and do that, set up that fallback locale, and then I'm going to go ahead and save my changes. Now let's go into the studio, and you can switch over between the different locales that you have available in the top left here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so the structure of the responses has been maintained. And if I didn't have this resource enabled in the French locale, it would prompt me to create that resource. I've already done that, and you can see that I have my French message here, and then I can also simulate, since this is a speech component, I can simulate with the French specific poly voices. When you're mapping languages, it's often not a one-to-one mapping of the different languages. So the complex mechanics can be a little bit complicated. So we use the ICU format, which can be really helpful for things like gender or plurality or formality, to help you apply a little bit more logic to the responses that you have. So for example, if you come into this response, you can see that I have a plural ICU format set up here, so that it says that if I have 0 workouts left, or if I have 1 workout left, or if I have multiple workouts left, it's going to change the plurality there for me. So you can play around with the different functions there, and there's an overview of how to do that within the resource library on Jargon. So that is how you can manage multilingual content in Jargon, and that's both content that's across multiple markets of the same language and multiple markets of a different language. If you've got any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us and check out our other tutorial videos. Thanks so much.